Welcome to this video. We are going to do one thing and one thing only. We are going to log into PowerSchool using our SHS-LU accounts. And if that doesn't work, we're going to tell our teachers so that they can get working, the IT staff can get working on fixing your accounts before the trainings later this afternoon. So you may be looking for a PowerSchool app, right? There isn't one. Well, there is, but if you download it, it doesn't work at all. So even PowerSchool says, don't download the app. Instead, what we're going to do is access PowerSchool through Safari. That's the way we'll always log into PowerSchool. So find Safari and tap on Safari. In the URL bar, this is a really important web address that you want to remember. Type in classroom.powerschool.com. When you have that web address in, you can hit enter, and then we'll be directed to a login page, classroom.powerschool.com. If you type that, by the way, you can go home and using your smartphone, you can access PowerSchool. Using your home computer, you can get on PowerSchool. So it works on the iPad, on any PC, any device with internet access. You can get in to see everything through PowerSchool. Okay, but you don't know what PowerSchool is yet, so that's okay. We'll learn that in the afternoon session. We're going to skip the first two lines. We don't have a PowerSchool ID. Instead, tap the option Sign In with Microsoft. Okay, next you're going to see a sign-in page like this. Enter your SHS-LU email address. When you enter your email address, be sure you include the extension at the end. Then tap Next. You might see a screen that, like this, where you're asked to select what type of account you have. If you don't see the screen, that's fine. You should be okay. But if you do see the screen that's showing on my video right now, make sure you tap Work or School Account. Tap that first option, Work or School Account. Then you can input your password. This is the password you received on freshman orientation day. You probably took a photo, and it's the same one that you use to get into your email. So type in that password and then tap Sign In. This is the final step. We wait for PowerSchool to load, and if you see the next screen, then you've been successful. Hopefully most of us are able to get in without any problems. It might take a while, like you can see on my account here. Not my account, but thank you, Lillian. So you might see some dots there, the loading dots, but eventually this page should load, okay? We are not going to learn about PowerSchool at all right now, but don't worry, we'll have plenty of time for that later today. All we are trying to do at this stage is check out who cannot access PowerSchool. So once you have this page loaded, you can actually close the tab and close Safari, right? If you're someone who could not access PowerSchool, students, here's what you have to do. Give your first and last name to your teacher, include your SHS email address, and include the error message that you saw. Team teachers, we need you to compile a complete list of all that information, the first name of the student, last name of the student, email address, and the error message. Put that into one single email for your entire team and fire that email off to Natalie Brockmeyer. So once she has all of the names from all of the teams, the friendly IT staff here at Sacred Heart will be working on getting those accounts live before the afternoon PowerSchool training. So there is more training coming. Don't worry. This isn't the only time you'll hear my voice. But there is more training coming, and once we get there, you'll learn all of the features of PowerSchool, how it will replace Schoology, how it will also replace Plus Portals, and the many wonderful things to come. Thanks for watching this video, and go ahead and let your teacher know whether you could or could not get into PowerSchool.